This is exercise 21, Python Lambda. So a lambda function is a small anonymous function. In Python, an anonymous function is a function that is defined without a name. So a lambda function, actually a single line function that is defined without a name, while normal functions are defined using the def keyword. Anonymous function are defined using the lambda keyword. Okay, so in function we have the defined keyword def. A lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. Okay, let's see the first one. We have the syntax of lambda function, lambda, and then we have the arguments followed by a colon, and then we have the expression. The expression is executed and the result is written. So now this is the first example. We want to add 10 to the argument a. We have here a, and then written the result. So here I have copied this one and paste here. So we have variable x and then followed by the lambda function, lambda. This lambda function we assign to variable x, and then we have the parameter or the function parameter or the arguments here, lambda function argument followed by a column, and then the written value. So for this written value we want to add 10 to the argument a. Now we run it, print x. We have the print statement, print x, and then we have number 5. So we run this, we have 15. 5 plus 10 we get 15. And then other than this one, I didn't print only one. You can print another more than one by using this kind of code. So we want to print the first one, we have name 1, variable name 1, and the second one lambda function in variable name 2, and then we run it. So for name 1, 5 plus 10, and then we have 10 plus 10, and then 5 plus 20. So we will get 15, 20, and 25. Again, this is the parameter, or this is the what we call it, the argument. This is the lambda function, and this is the arguments followed by a column, and then we have the written value or the expression. Okay, for this one, lambda function can take any number of arguments, this one, but it can only have one expression. Okay, so if you want to have two expressions, just do like this. And then lambda function, okay, I have explained this one. Okay, as I said just now, lambda function can take any number of arguments. So this is the example of lambda function with multiple number of arguments. So we have a and b, and then we have lambda function here. We have two arguments, a and b, and then the written value a times b. We have 5 and 6, so 5 should be timed with 6, and we will get 30. And then you can also summarize arguments a, b, and c and return the result. So we have 3 arguments here, a, b, c, and then we want the written value is a plus b plus c, and then the number is 5 plus 6 plus 2. We will get 13. Okay, this is another example but with different number. The written value is 20. So why we use lambda function? Why we are not using the normal function with the defined keyword? So with the lambda function, we can use only single line of function instead of we have functions, and then we have body in the function. So in lambda function, by using lambda function, we can use only single line function and without a name. Okay, so the power of lambda is better shown when you use them as an anonymous function inside another function. Say that you have a function definition that takes one argument. This is only one argument, and that argument will be multiplied with an unknown number. Okay, so we have here we have a function and then return lambda function with one argument, and then the return here with an unknown number. Okay, use that function definition to make a function that always doubles the number you send it. So how to do that? We have my function definition, def my function, we have name here variable, and return lambda function with argument a, return value a times n, the unknown number. So here we have 2 because we want to double the number that we want that we send. So 2 times 11 we will get 22. And then you can also have 2 arguments in the functions or 2 variable and b, and then b, and then you just put 2 comma 3 here. So the number here 2 times 3 times 11. Or you can use the same function definition to make function that always triples the number you send it. You just have to change in this part. So if you want to double, you just put 2. So 2 times 11, you will get 22. But if you want to triple the number, you just put 3. So we run it, we test this, we will get 33. So as this is resulted from 3 times 11 here. And then, or you can use the same definition to make both function in the same program. So you want to have a double and triple in the same function, you just have to put the same statement but with different number 2 and 3. So it will give the result of double the number and triple the number. So we get 22 and 33. So that's all for Python Lambda. Thank you.